Hello everyone and welcome to the top apps. Like today I want to show you the best app that its name is Pic Stitch. It is college editor. That it's the app that you can you can add 3 or 4 your photos in one photo. So it's the power photo editor. It has border customization, make video collage, create IG stories, create your own layouts, home screen wallpapers, and etc. It's about 154.5 MB in iOS and less on Android. Before opening, subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell. Let's open it. And here we have the classic, fancy, and trending. So by classic, I'm going to add this. I can add photos by my side. The first one is here, and then the another thing, I'm going to add another pic of mine, and here the point is that we can enhance by high def, scenery, food, portrait, night, filter by exposure, brightening, contrast, structure, warmth, saturation, fade, highlight, shadow, vignette, and sharpen. We can add the audio for it. We can add your text, stickers. We can draw something, the meme, the watermark, the crop, frames. We can add frames, overlays. We can rotate it. We can blemish. It's good. We can blur it, whiten, red eye, splash, sharpen, focus. As you see that it has lots of things to add for that. So and here we have the color that we can add the color, the border, corner, and shadow. The layouts, we have the fancy. We have lots of layout. As you see, guys, it's very good. And here we have the 1.4 frames, 5 to 6, 7 frames, 8 frames plus 9 frames. It's very good. And we can also create our own layouts, and we have the widget that for home screen wallpaper. The preferences, launch photo editor, free layout reminder, and export to gypsy. And here we have the helps that it's going to help you, and here we have our photo that we make it. I recommend all of you guys download this amazing app. And here also we have the pro version that it is one time is $129, and if you pay it early it's about $30 and $2.50 per month. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.